Hello, today I would like to share a program made by myself and my partner Kenny last year for our final project as part of Google Cape. Our task was to make a program or app that could teach people or help with education. We chose to use the programming language processing to create our program. It's basically a simpler version of Java, and our program attempts to teach someone binary. As you can see, as you start the game, instructions are displayed showing how the game works and the basics of binary. So if we press a key to begin, you can see we have a ball, we have some visual displays, some buttons, and we have a bunch of numbers. Also, the help button will display the instructions again if you need more clarification or you forgot. So the point of the game is to find a number in binary. So right now we want to find the number 3, which in binary is two ones. So we can draw lines right now, and as you can see in the bottom right, the number of lines we have left is decreasing until we run out. But don't worry, you can reset the game using this button, which will reset and erase all your lines. We'll also put the ball back into the starting position and respawn any boxes that were disappeared. So to get two ones, we need to maneuver our ball in order to get the correct number. So we can draw lines. Ooh, I messed up. Okay. Let me try again. So we can draw lines. You have to create a path, as you can see. Instead of going through all the zeros this time, I decided to go around them. And then, as you notice, the ball in the box in the bottom right turns to green. So you can move there to finish the level. Now it's red again, as you can see. And as you can see, the level increases and the numbers progressively get harder. So now, if you look at the code, it's just a lot of variables, methods, functions, etc. to basically display and just allow the program to work. I would say throughout the course of the project, the most difficult issues we faced were displaying the number boxes and working with the collision for the ball. And to manage the boxes, basically, we created a class, and then we made an array of objects. We needed to figure out basically how to display a multitude of the same object and check if the ball collided with them. Not to mention, we also needed to make sure the ball collided with the line. So, since the position of the lines were constantly changing, we basically got the pixels around the ball and checked to see if they were blue, and also to see if this ball collided with the edge of the walls or any of the number boxes. However, this method wasn't perfect either because you might see the ball erase parts of the lines at some time. Nevertheless, I feel my partner and I succeeded in making an interesting game that might keep your attention long enough for you to learn binary. Thanks for watching.